that up, and we see one flopping. And I shot another one, it's going way down there.
Dang.
That's what I'm saying. That's how they did yesterday. That's going close.
That is close.
Sounds like they're just down the edge.
It does. I have to walk down there. I mean, that's, you know, there's other land down there, obviously, but boy, it sounds like it's right on us. Shoot that one. They already shot at it. Might as well shoot at it. There we go. Back. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. Bring here. Come here. Come on. Come on. Hold. Hold. Come on. Give. Good girl. Huh? Mallard. Sit. Shoot him. Shoot him. Ready? 1, 2. Oh, there's another one to the left. Hurry! Good girl. Bring here. Hurry, bring here. Hurry, bring here. Hurry, let's go. Hurry. Good girl. Bring here. Bring here. Hurry up. Hurry, let's go. Bring here. Good girl. Hurry up. Bring here. Let's go. Hurry. Good dog. Come here. Hurry. Hurry. Good girl. Give. Good girl. All right. Yeah. And I almost could have got 3. My dang gun wouldn't fire. Hurry, dead bird over there. Let's go. You see it over there? I don't know if she'll get it or not. There, that was a beaver. The goose is over there. Dead bird. Let's go. Hunt up. Dead bird over there. Let's go. Hunt up. I think it's way over there. Now. Dead bird. Hunt it up. Hunt it up. Dead bird.
Here. Hey, where is it?
She's over there around it. I saw it swim over the levee. It's kind of on that bank. Hunt it up. Dead bird. I hadn't seen it since then, so I don't know. But with the current and it swimming. Oh, she's got it. She's got it. Good girl. Bring it here. Good dog. Come on. Good girl. Come on.
Like it's deep right here?
Yeah, it's deep along that where they push it up. Yeah, it was like right here. And as soon as hey, you see that other one out there, Bob? Come on, Mary Lou. Good dog. She may try to swim to me. Yeah, holler at her, see if she'll come straight to you. I mean, if she wants to swim it to me, I'll take it. Be careful, don't slide off there. That's a good girl. Good dog. That's a big old bird. This, I don't know how. That's why I brought the long range choke. Why didn't y'all shoot at them, Bob?
Huh?
Why didn't y'all shoot at them geese?
We were back in the truck.
Oh, y'all weren't. I thought y'all were still down there.
Somebody's already like, I'm hungry.
I'm with you on that.
Oh, that's a big old bird.
Phew. Yeah. Look at that goose. Yeah, it is. Holy smokes.
That's a big old bird, ain't it?
Yeah. Mary Lou was like, what the hell? Come, good girl, come. Come. I had a third shot and my gun jammed.
One shot at both of them. Don't know how. Why didn't y'all shoot at them, Bob?
Huh?
Why didn't y'all shoot at them geese?
We were back in the trail.
Oh, y'all weren't. I thought y'all were still down there.
Somebody's already like, I'm hungry. We go cook breakfast.
I'm with you on that.